Previously on Mike Fixed It.
My girl. This one here, Old Faithful. Had her since 1999. It's a year 2000 Y2K Honda Odyssey. And we're gonna be saying goodbye to her. So, see you later, girl. Old Reliable, Big Blue. She's getting traded in on something new and exciting. Stay tuned to the channel. So we're getting rid of your van. How's it make you feel?
A little sad.
Okay.
A little sad, a little excited.
We've got some memories in that van.
I had my son, not in the van, but I had a son while owning that van.
Yes, we raised a child and that van was a big
We've
part.
raised 3 dogs in that van.
True.
We've
How
taken
many-
many trips.
We figured it out. We went the equivalent of 6 times around the earth in that van.
Yes.
And,
It's been to Florida. It's been to Maine. So it's been up and down the East Coast.
Okay, it's still running great.
And it runs beautifully. Love the vehicle.
We got it in 1999, so it's going on 22 years old. When we told people we bought a van, what did they think?
They thought I was pregnant.
Yep, were
No,
you?
we were starting a family. No.
No.
We were just camping a lot.
camping.
And we had our
Wanted to
dog.
haul
Larry.
4x8 sheet goods, drywall,
Yeah.
plywood.
Right. Our pop.
Yep.
Right.
We towed.
We did. We had a pop-up camper.
So one of the
I love
best
that
things,
van.
we had a trailer hitch and we put in an automatic transmission fluid cooler. And I think that that's what made that van last
Agreed.
for
Definitely.
22 years.
Definitely. I
So-
think it really extended the life.
ATF cooler, huge in extending the life of that van.
And
Now-
knock on wood, we never had any serious repairs on that
Well-
van either.
We had only one repair on the transmission. We had to redo the transmission seal. But the
Oh,
transmission
that's
itself was
right,
fine, but
right.
they redid the seal.
Right.
Everything looked good inside.
Love that vehicle.
So it is time to get rid of it.
So
And
sad.
but
What
the
will
fun
we
is,
get next?
what will we get next? Okay, stay tuned. What are we gonna get next?